In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leave an organization in Hubstaff. If you no longer need access to a specific organization in Hubstaff, the process is quick and straightforward once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the exact path so you can leave the organization cleanly and avoid clicking around trying to find the setting. To begin, make sure you're signed into your Hubstaff account and looking at your dashboard. From here, direct your attention to the upper right area of the screen. You should see the organization icon there. Go ahead and click on that icon. This is where Hubstaff gives you access to organization-related options, so it's the starting point for managing which workspaces you belong to. After clicking the organization icon, a menu will appear. In that menu, select Organizations. This will take you to the section where all the organizations connected to your account are listed. If you're part of more than one organization, this page is especially useful because it lets you manage each one separately. Once you're on the Organizations page, look for the organization you want to leave. Next to it, you'll see an Actions option. Click on Actions to open the available choices for that organization. This menu usually contains the controls related to membership and account level interactions for that workspace. So this is the place where the Leave option is found. From the Actions menu, click Leave. That's the step that removes you from the selected organization. Be sure you're choosing the correct organization before confirming this action, especially if you belong to several teams or client accounts. Leaving an organization may remove your access to its projects, track time, team information, or other workspace data associated with that organization. And that's it. Those are the steps to leave an organization in Hubstaff. Open the organization icon in the top right corner, go to Organizations, click Actions beside the organization you want to manage, and then choose Leave. As a quick tip, if you think you may need access again later, it can be helpful to confirm with the organization owner or admin before leaving, since rejoining may require a new invitation. Also, take a moment to double check that any important work or reporting you need has already been completed before you exit. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you leave an organization in Hubstaff quickly and confidently.